So the OMNICAMP, I thought it was great. I came here not knowing much, actually not knowing anything. Maybe a few things, that you hear. But when I came here, I discovered a lot of those few things that I heard, and maybe even some that I believed were absolutely incorrect. Oscar has, he's a great teacher. First off, I do want to say that. I'm not just saying that because I took his camp. He's a great teacher. He has a lot of patience. Even one of the students in the class with us was struggling, and at one point they just wanted, hey, I'm out. We took a little break, we came back, and then Oscar was able to make the light bulb go out, in their head. So I think this academy is definitely recommended for everyone. If you're serious about trading and you do want to, win and make some money, this is the place to be. You have a great teacher. Not only does he teach you how to trade, he teaches you the history of trading, which, in all honesty, even though it might not play a role in the trading you're doing today at the specific moment in time, but I think it's fascinating to learn the history of trading, how it started, how it went about, how crazy it was back in the days. So I think this academy is definitely awesome. I recommend Omnia to anyone, or Omni, sorry, I said Omnia. I recommend Omni to anyone, and if you have any questions, ask Oscar. He's going to be great. He's going to answer them all, and he's really patient, and he's just really knowledgeable, and he's a great guy. So I definitely recommend it to anyone that's watching this, and I hope you guys come out here and see for yourself that it's a great experience.